Alright, look, sky.
Oh, remember that we did last time?
We got one grade 2 knocking over.
Marshall and...
Look.
Okay, now.
What do you see?
Stand here. Myra. Look at that. Bitches. Myra. Myra. Look at that.
How's it going? You wanna go see Arya?
That's kind of neat.
Hi, Mara. Hello. Arya, what you got?
You saw Izzy?
We're at Touch the Truck today, Jarvis. You gonna go in? You can go in and go to the other side. Huh? Yeah. Wow. Here you go. I'll video you. Hi, nurse.
Need a help. There's paramedics that help a person to go to the hospital.
And then the stretcher goes
There
here.
could be someone that a family member can come with them, but then also the harass them as well.
Tattoos.
Would you like a sticker? Yeah. Would your sister like a sticker? Yeah.
Say hi. What do you see?
You want a backseat viral?
See the siren? You go back seat?
She didn't want to.
You see the front, Mara?
No.
Is it tight in the back there, Arya?
What's are these for the cops?
Yeah, that's for she behaved bad. Yeah.
Hey, Mara, would you like one?
Got your water, Arya?
You like one? Yes, no?
I'll try the bees. Say thank you. You say thank you? Say thank you. Look, crayons. Say thank you. Arya, go.
Hi. Did you drive that truck? Wow. And then take a can and a squishy. Like.
You see Arya? Where's Arya?
Flat along the bridge. There you go.
What did you get on?
You get to try again. Was it orange? Okay. You like the orange stuff. Yeah, you can take it. Stop it. Try one more time. Yeah. Oh boy, you can pick what you want from the table.
Or you can get utensils.
Yeah, those are kids' cups.
What would you like? Do you want a turn? I'll go.
Reach up as high as you can.
This one or that one? What do you say?
Say thank you.
Thank
Tell a story.
you. Those are pockets.
You're going for it. Let's see. Myra, say hi. You want to push one? Okay. Here, come, Myra. Let's go. Yeah, come here. Wanna go? Come. All done? Okay, let's wait. Your water is over there. Okay, go ahead, sip first. You can do it this year? Okay. Then try this one, Arya. Thank you. Come, Arya. Think you're gonna do it? Ready? You gotta turn, right? Where are you turning? Keep going. There you go. Is this one working? Working? Okay, good. Here, what happened? Hey. Very hot? What do you have there? You see Peppa Pig, Myra? You got balloons.
Wow,
You
beautiful.
got a watch on you?
What do you say to Joe?
You want one too? Nice. Okay. You've done this before.
No, leave it, Arya. Leave it.
So leave her. Joe will help. I know it's beautiful. Good job.
So what's it, Arya? Wow.
Sorry?
I know this. It's soccer.
You did a great job. Now, can you do me a favor? Give yourself a good squish on the cheeks.
Sorry.
Want to make sure that's nice and squished down. Perfect.
Would you like some glitter?
You said yes. And you said orange, right?
Mommy, what? What? You see the animals? Let's see your cheek, Arya. Let's see your hands. Show me your heart. Let's see the blue. Blue. And let me see the car. Can I see the car? Whoa. You see the goat? So look, Mara, look the goat. Look, say hi. Say hi, Llama. Say hi, Llama. Look. Say it's eating. You wanna go feed him, Myra? Say hi, donkey. What sound does a donkey make? Here, mommy, come. Here, mommy, come get.
You can only eat so much, right?
Say hi, donkey. See how? Look, the bunny.
You getting a massage? Oh.
Guys, I don't know where we're going, but we are we're in
Yeah, look at the camera.
watching.
Hi, man. You say roll, roll.